That one Colorado coronavirus death, a woman in her 80s from El Paso County who had underlying health conditions. But today we learned she may have exposed upwards of 100 other people to the virus. Today, the El Paso County Health Department issued a health alert with details on possible exposures. Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is talking to health officials. Lance, those exposures took place during card games at the Colorado Springs Bridge Center.
Well, those bridge games took place from February 29th through March 3rd. Most of the people attending were from Colorado Springs, but on the 29th, there was a tournament that drew people from Denver and from other places in southern Colorado.
A lot of the people are scared at the Bridge Center because most of them are senior citizens.
John Dukellis, a director at the Colorado Springs Bridge Center, says nearly 98% of the people who play there are over age 60. El Paso County issued a public health alert today to reach out to those who may have been exposed.
We have been contacting and are continuing to reach out to individuals that we are aware of that may have come in contact with the woman. But due to the high number of interactions she had, we need the community's help in getting this message out.
The Bridge Center now closed their website listing the games the victim played in. Health officials say one of the people who played with the woman who died later began exhibiting symptoms.
That's the first test that has been reported back from those bridge games. And that just came back this morning as being positive.
That man under evaluation at this time. Health officials emphasizing that at-risk groups include the elderly, homeless, and those in school and daycare centers.
We're kind of entering a new phase of dealing with COVID-19 where we will begin to focus more heavily on some of these more susceptible groups and making sure we are taking extra time to protect them, and they'll get our first priority as we continue to sort out how we're all going to deal with these things.
Mr. Dukellis says he had minimal contact with the victim on March 3rd. I asked how he's doing.
Well, I'm confining myself to my house, and so is everybody else in our club, and our club is closed at least for the next month, if not two.
No panic, but a lot of concern among those who took part in the bridge games. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.